Hello, in this video we're gonna check performance of the charger that comes with Huawei Nova 11 Pro. And to do this, I brought this Gosun smart socket that we can connect the charger to and to the phone, and we should be able to see the performance on this phone right here. So now let's connect the charger to Gosun smart socket and then the cable. Now the power source. And in the second we should be able to check the performance right here. Move on to the electric tab, and here wait about 1 minute till all of the performance stabilize. So right now I think statistics should be stable, and you can see them right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.